Hello and welcome to Crazy Quilt August. I am devoting this whole month to Crazy Quilt videos. We are going to start with finishing Marilyn's pillow, and then I will be offering kits to make said pillow. I already have them done. I will show you what's in them. So I just counted, this is like 15 inches. I need to trim because see how it's, yeah, right there. That is step number 1. Trim a wee bit off of that. Did you see that? Really? Okay. Wee! Wee, I say. How's it look this way? Same. So let's just go all the way around, I reckon. This isn't too bad. It's just got some lace sticking out here. Okay. So I think that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can't see me counting down here. Just trust me. I'm a professional. Okay. So I need 2 15-inch squares. No, they don't have to be all the way. 15. Well, it would probably be easier if I just did 15. That's not wide enough. This fabric. Hey, I could use, yes, I'm going to use the sewn edge, the finished edge. So what's the best way to cut so that you can see? I think this is 15. Can I rip it? No. Okay, I'm gonna fold like this because I don't have room. Okay. See what that does. Now I don't actually need 15, so I'm going to pick a random measurement. I see a little glitch there. Let's come down then. This is, yeah. Okay. I don't know how you do it. I'm going to show you how I do it. Lay this right side up. Lay one of these right side down with this edge up here. Actually, it's too long. I'm going to move it down a little. Then this one goes, actually I'm going to put this one down first because it has more pattern. Okay. like so. And then this one will be underneath, and it's going to go like that. And I'm going to flip and pin from this side. Just going to pin all the way around. Then I'm going to take this over to my sewing machine and sew all the way around. And then we'll come back here and turn it and see what we have. Do as I say, not as I do. Take your pins out while you're sewing so you don't break a needle. Also, I got too close with my embellishments and I did break a needle. My bad. Look at me, I've been to the pool. My hair's all wet. It's okay. It's all good, right? Okay, take the pins out that I should have been taken out while I was sewing. But no, I did not. I'd like to remind you that I'm a one-man show here. I don't have a film crew or a director or somebody telling me, do this, don't do that. So what you see is what you get. This is a little thick because of those hemmed edges. Not too bad though. I'll cut that off and that off. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. I'm just saying, right? Okay. You. Poke your corners out as best you can. Okay. That's your envelope back, and you just stick your form in there. Here is Marilyn's pillow. Measuring out at 14 inches. I would still put a 16-inch pillow form in there just to make it really poofy. But do what you do, you. I hope none of those beads come off where I got the thread caught. Okay. I have some in-progress pictures somewhere that I'll try to stick on this video. But now I have 5 pillow kits. They are $50 each plus $5 shipping if you buy only one. And I will have in my next video some fabric bundles. So if you want to combine shipping, let me know. But I'll show you what's in here. You get a piecing instruction. You get a bunch of trims. You get a fabric bundle with lace. These, I cut these apart. This was like that. But you can leave it whole. You can cut them apart. You get 4 foundation squares. And you get 2, they're actually napkins with all 4 bound edges. So you can use these for the back. You can just sew all the way around and turn it and stuff it if you want. Then you'd have a whole nother piece of fabric left over. There's enough here. I tested it. I made that pillow from one of these kits. I actually cut 6. So this is exactly what I used to make that pillow. $50 each in a beautiful bag. To order, I am leaving my email on the screen at the end of this video. And happy sewing. Marilyn, please message me.